Imagine running a YouTube channel that makes videos without showing your face, without recording yourself, and also without expensive editing software. And the crazy part, some of these channels are getting thousands and even millions of views using simple AI tools. In this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how beginners are creating faceless YouTube videos using Pictory AI, even if you have zero video editing experience. So if you have ever wanted to start a YouTube channel but didn't want to appear on camera, you don't want to show your face, this is a tutorial you might be looking for, and this is something that you need. Welcome to Baba Ken Academy, the channel where we talk about AI tools, tech opportunities, and smart ways to make money online. If you are new here and you want to learn how to use technology and AI to create income opportunities, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video from me. Now let's get into it. Before we jump into the tutorial, let's quickly understand what faceless YouTube videos actually are. Faceless videos are simply YouTube videos where the creator doesn't appear on camera. Simple. Instead, the video uses things like number one, stock videos, animations, AI voiceovers, text overlays, screen recordings to tell the story. Some of the biggest faceless channels on YouTube focus on topics such as number one, motivation, finance, tech tutorials, storytelling, facts, and documentaries. And the reason these videos are becoming popular is because AI tools now make them even much more easier to create. One of those tools that makes this possible is called Pictory AI, which we are going to use in this tutorial. But before we continue, if you are getting value already, tap the like button. It really helps this channel to grow and it helps you to push this video to more people. Pictory AI is an AI creation tool that can turn text into videos, literally text, just text. Okay, that means you can paste a simple script, you can choose visuals, you can add voiceovers, it can be AI voiceover or your own voice, and generate a full video without even complicated editing. It automatically finds stock footage, that is the video samples that matches the exact sequence of that video, background visuals, and also scene transitions that match your script. For beginners who want to create faceless content quickly, these two can save a lot of time. Now, let me show you exactly how to use it step by step. So the very first thing we are going to be doing is to go to ChatGPT, where we have to create a very simple script. All right. Now, the very script I pasted here is create a 1 minute script of this topic, Eze the village flute playing boy, and how people come to the village square to listen to him play. Okay, so this is a 1 minute script I told ChatGPT to write, and here is the title. ChatGPT gave it a title, which we're also going to be pasting in Pictory AI to let Pictory AI understand the topic of the script. The sun had just begun to set behind the palm trees when a soft melody floated through the air. This is just the very first sentence of our story of this script. And here you can see that each sentence ends with a full stop, just like this, and also just like this. This is every evening he would sit under the old mango tree and play. This is a sentence. And what Pictory AI actually does, it uses the sentence for each sentence. You know, each sentence ends with a full stop. It uses each sentence to create a visual content for it. Let's go to Pictory AI. This is Pictory AI, and if you're new on this platform, this is what you would be seeing, and the link is pictory.ai. Okay, so first and foremost, you can come here and create a free account with them. generate videos in minutes from text. So this is PPT. PPT actually means PowerPoint. So PowerPoint slides and all that. So what does it mean now? It means that you can come here, you can sign up and create your accounts, paste your script, and they actually change your script idea to a video. So the very first thing we want to do now, I already have an account, so I don't need to sign up here. So I'll head over to my account where we are going to paste the script. So come with me. Let's go to ChatGPT and get our script and paste it into Pictory AI, add voiceover to it, and generate a full video, all right, using Pictory AI. We'll go over to Pictory AI and then we are going to click on text to video. So here is it. So I'll click on text to video, and here Pictory AI is actually requesting for the title of the project. So come here now and copy the title here. I don't need to copy this emoji, so we are going to paste it here. So we're going to paste it here, and I'll come over again to copy the script entirely. And here is the script. So here is the script. So the script is being copied and I'm going to paste it here as well. So right now, the lines, I'm going to remove those big lines from them. So here is it. Right. So next thing I want to do now is to understand the orientation. Now, before I want to use, before I want to select the orientation to use, I would have to use 9 by 16 because 9 by 16 orientation is mostly used for YouTube shorts, TikTok videos, Facebook reels, Instagram reels. So this is being selected, and now what does it mean? Scene settings. So I'll come over to scene settings, create scenes on sentences. What does it mean? It means that for every sentence you see here, all right, a scene will be created. Okay, so you can count it and expect the number of scenes to get based on the sentences. Okay, so create scenes on line breaks. So for each line, that is each sentence, we are going to be expecting a scene. A scene actually means a visual for that particular part. Okay, next thing I'm going to do now is to generate the video. Now here, Pictory AI is actually giving me what kind of concept I want to use for this video. All right, so I'm going to be selecting a particular concept and without getting my video complicated. So it will now use the concept to automatically find stock footage, background visuals, and scene transitions that will match the entire script. So for beginners who want to create faceless content quickly, this tool can save a whole lot of time. So right now, the very first thing I want to use, I'm going to be using, okay, we have none and we have modern minimalist, and we have kinetic, we have chic, okay, and we have bulletin. So I'll be going with wanderlust. Okay, now the video is now being created. Why this script is being created, you need to understand that your script is basically the story or information your video will deliver, which means my video will actually center on the particular script I generated. For example, if my video topic is 5 AI tools that can make you money, my script will always want to explain what the tools are, how they work, how how to use it, how people can find them and use them as well. So you can always write your script yourself or use AI tools to help generate ideas. Once your script is ready, you're going to paste it into Pictory AI just as we did, and this is where the magic gets started. Now that our script has been created, and here we are going to add audio. Okay, so you can come to this audio here and select the audio sound you want. Pictory AI actually has premium audios and standard audios, so it all depends on the ones you want. So you can use males, you can use female voice as you want, because this video is centered on you not showing your face and not using your own voice as well. So you can always want to play the voice and hear how it sounds.
Welcome to Pictory. Did you know that video increases user engagement by
Okay, I will not want to use
80%?
this. All right, so you can find the voice you want to use here, apply it, and replace it to Pictory AI based on how the voice is being spoken inside our video. So here, let's try out Jackson.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by
So I'm
80%.
going to apply this. Okay, once the video loads, you see multiple scenes appear on the timeline just the way you are seeing it. Now, this is a particular scene, and okay, our voice has now been applied. This is another scene. Okay, so these scenes are all different, and like I told you from the beginning, each scene was created using a sentence. That is, for every sentence a visual should be created. So let's play it now and let's hear how it sounds.
Old mango tree and play. At first, only the birds listened. Then a few children stopped their games and sat beside him soon. The farmers returning from
So
their
if you
fields
observe,
slowed their
most of the visuals being used here are all stock footage, which means they are real images, real videos or pictures, but which can be shared and used for commercial purposes. So that is what Pictory AI actually did here. Each video scenes now contain video footage, text overlays, just as you are seeing, background visuals as well to match it. From here, you can customize everything. You can see different scenes here, and for each visuals here, you can always come here to want to edit it. For if you have a particular scene you don't like, you can always want to change it. Okay, so all you have to do is to click on these three dots here. All you have to do now is to click on these three dots here and look at it. So you will have the option to delete it. So if you have a particular scene that you want to use to replace this, for instance, you can go to pixels.com, go to the site, search for different kinds of videos you can find there, and most content on pixels.com are copyright free, and you can use them for whatever you want, and people drop them there. Okay, no, there is no copyright claim for most of those contents that are there, and you can get visuals, videos, backgrounds, and use it to replace the content you have on Pictory AI. And all you have to do is to drop them here, and just as you're seeing now, we have different scenes, and by the time you are done, you can always want to download this video and post to your TikTok channel, your YouTube channel, your YouTube shorts, I mean, your Instagram reels, Facebook reels. By the way, if you want more tutorials like this showing you how to use AI content to create content and make money online, make sure you subscribe to Baba Ken Academy YouTube channel. Also, comment below and let me know. Are you planning to start a Faceless YouTube channel? I read the comments and sometimes make videos based on suggestions. The step of editing your video is very important. That is, changing your visuals, just like I just said, is critically very important, because you have to make sure that each visuals matches the sentence. Like for instance, let's play a particular visual here, and here, this is where this visual is talking about Aze's flute told stories without words. And let's play it.
Ease's flute told stories without words, stories of rain, harvest, laughter, and the spirit of the village. The music wrapped around the square like a warm breeze. And as the last note faded into the evening sky, the people smiled. Because in that small village, everyone knew one thing: the heart of the village beat inside
So
Ease's
if you
flute.
can see what is just happening here, you get to understand that the visual actually matched the sentence of what the script is actually saying. And that is the power of AI. Now, you can change this and match this perfectly to suit how you want it. If a clip doesn't look good right, simply replace it with another one from the Pictories library. They have tons of library to change videos or contents or visuals. Once you're happy with your video, the final step is exporting it. So all you have to do is to download it out, And here you can click on download without watermark. Download without watermark actually allows you to subscribe to one of their plans, or you can download with watermark, which is entirely free. And you can post this video on different social media platforms. So as you can see here, I just downloaded the video and the video is actually being processed. And just like that, you've created a faceless YouTube video using AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Babaken Academy for more content about AI tools and a whole lot of finance topics that I discuss on my YouTube channel. And remember, with the right tools and the right knowledge, anyone can start creating content today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.